Hello and welcome back to Expedition Builds. I'm super excited to share this next product with you. This is Rain Basin's 8-gallon water system. We've been running on the Jeep for about a month now. We've had a chance to test it in the off-road environment, and I want to share with you how we mounted it on my Jeep, and how we're using it and some of its unique features. So let's jump in and get started. We've always carried water on our Jeeps. Typically, this was the method we've used. Let's take a look at a great way to manage water on our outdoor adventures. Let's take a close look at the Rain Basin 8-gallon kit by Midnight Forest. Now here's a quick look of how I have it mounted on my Jeep. Before we go any further, let's take a look at a couple of features that make the Rain Basin unique. The first is its ability to catch rainwater. Simply unscrew the cap on the top center and let it do its thing. And the second is the ability to have pressurized water on our Jeeps, on our off-road vehicles, on our boats, etc. Now let's take a look at the install and how I mounted this on my Jeep. Here's the hardware kit, including the mounting brackets and everything we'll need. The underside of the tank contains these mounting points. This will allow us to easily attach the mounting brackets. They look like this when installed. Also included in the kit is this quality brass shutoff valve. Because I'm running an Expedition 1 mule rack, I needed to devise a custom mount to get the Rain Basin mounted on my Jeep. Here's a look at that. I mounted this custom bracket across 3 of the load bars, riveted in place. And here's a quick view of the tank mounted on the rack. The design of the mounting brackets ensure a tight, rattle-free installation, as well as providing the ability to securely lock the tank to your Jeep. The tank features a very low profile at just over 5 inches tall when laid on its side. And now let's take a look at what's included in the kit. Battery-powered spray pump, adjustable spray nozzle, 16-foot hose, battery, and battery charger. Also included is a spray nozzle. With your tank mounted high, you can get a good enough gravity feed to turn your Rain Basin into a shower. And here's a couple looks at the unit set up, ready to be used. The quick connect hose design makes it easy and fast to set up. Here's a close-up of the adjustable spray head. With 6 patterns to choose from, you're sure to find something that suits your needs. And here's a few of them in action to give you an idea of the adjustability. And here's a closer look at the spray head that will help you turn your Rain Basin into a gravity-fed shower. The tank's 2 fill and vent caps are large enough openings to make filling your tank easy, as well as adding ice. Rain Basin is available in 3 different tank sizes, 2, 4, and 8 gallon. Also available is the Rain Basin Washdown 8 gallon. This standalone portable unit features a built-in sink, perfect for cleaning up after those on-trail meals. This handy self-contained unit will store easily in the trunk of your car, the back of your Jeep, the bed of your pickup truck, your boat, etc. Receive 10% off any Rain Basin purchase when you use the code EXPEDITIONBUILDS10 when you check out on their site. Looking for an excellent way to manage the water supply on your next adventure? Take a look at Rain Basin. This may be right for you. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you on the trails.